Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal and by myself this morning on the production floor. There's a lot going on this morning, so I'm going to give you that 360 version of what I'm doing. But we've got training going on this morning, so I'm going to get you a little dizzy before we get going here. We're going to do a real quick spin around the production floor, and then I'm going to head to training. We're going to be with Dave Bash. The entire sales team is going to be with Dave Bash this morning. And we're going to be learning about the new H3 in the cockpit and the update and changes that are effective on the new H3 from Prevost that Marathon is building on. Other than that, hope you had a good weekend. I will be showing you around the floor right now. I'm going to flip it around because you don't need to see me. All right, got a few coaches to show you. We're going to do a quick spin around the production floor. There's 1382 getting worked on right now. Always like to see a beautiful build out in the bays. Lots of work going on. 1382. What I would say nearing completion. Good morning, fellas.
Morning.
Making our way to the back side of the coach. A lot going on in here. 1382. We're also going to peek in on 1383, which is right next to it. I love this. Look at this color right here. Isn't that pretty? So cool. That's the wall covering in 1382's water closet. All right. Here we go. We got to keep it moving. We've got training this morning going on. There's 1383. We'll take a quick peek in. $1383 is a double slide X3 bunk coach. We're just going to keep rolling. 1388 right there. Coach 13. A beautiful floor being installed. 1386. Excuse me. Heated floors. Custom quad slide. You guys, this is going to be a fun coach to see come together. Here's a good shot overlooking the entire production floor. How about going on the other side? Taking a look at 1387, which we opened the show by showing the front end of that. My man Richard Lawrence is watching. Good morning, Richard. More wire pulls going on in here. As you can see, a lot going on. And another thing that everybody likes to see lately, there's a new shell right over there. How about Starlink Look at that beautiful install of the Starlink system on top of 1387. It's December. $13.89. Another coach that just hit the production floor. And $13.84 showing a lot of progress also. I'm not going to go all the way back there. I don't want to drop that signal again. For some reason, I'm having signal issues this morning. But as we cross back over, I'll show you what's going on. Coach 1380, which will be taking delivery here soon, is being used for our sales training this morning with Dave Bash. And we're actually doing a video where we're all going to be able to watch this training from Texas to Florida so that everybody who's part of the marathon sales team is getting involved in that. Very cool. What a beautiful paint job. My goodness. Well, that's it, everybody. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I gotta get over to that training. So be yourself, do good things. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And we'll be back next Monday. Have a good day. Take care of each other. Be yourself, do good things.